If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hi Photos family. Today we're talking about making 5-minute videos or less. I don't know if I need to talk faster or just not say as much. But as you can see throughout the videos on my entire channel, I have not done very well at that. I'm not apologizing, I'm just saying it can be harder than it seems. I love sharing, talking, teaching, and that's my difficulty is I get onto a thought and I think about all the different tangents about it and I take loops and okay, so I call them loops, other people call them rabbit trails. I know, but my wife is probably, as editing this video, is going, yeah, whatever. But seriously, she gives me such a hard time about taking rabbit trails that, yeah, I know this is one, but it's hilarious to see her edits in these videos too. But the 5-minute or less video is really seriously true. As somebody gets to know or understand, learn more about you as a creator, not just a talking head or something else, but as you share about your photography and what you do and the way you achieve it without talking about your entire process, that they could clone what you do or copy it to the T. But as you share your process and what you do and how you enjoy it, how you came about doing it, all that sort of stuff, there's an interesting detail which is important that you not do what I have done. Now, some of you may like how I ramble on in details of what I've done over my time in photography, but I can guarantee you that is probably one of the biggest things holding my channel back from getting more and more subscribers, is because nobody wants to sit down and watch a 17-minute video about a photographer rambling on something that they don't care about. So it needs to, number one, be something that they care about. Number two, it needs to be something that they are intrigued with of photography. Number two, it needs to actually have value for them to learn from. So we talked a little bit about the videos in a previous episode on different medium, whether that's Facebook or YouTube, Instagram. Pinterest has moving images, but I don't know that it has audio to it. I might be wrong, or maybe they've updated that now. Make sure that you know those social media forms and platforms, what the video links are for requirements, but also make sure that the limitation you have on your videos is to not extend past your audience's attention duration or attention span. If it goes beyond your audience's attention span, then they're going to watch for a couple minutes and then click off and not watch the end of it. If the value that you're providing them is at the end of the video, then they will never see that value and they will think that the video is pointless or empty. But that is something that I try never to do in creating a video that appears empty, is always giving value at one point or another. And I don't always do well at it, but I try to give value at the front and give value at the end and pack in the middle as much value as I can while maintaining the same topic. And yes, the rabbit trails can provide some content value, but often those rabbit trails are off topic. They just began on topic. So thank you so much for watching. If this video content added value to you and the way that you shoot, we would like a thumbs up. Give us a comment down below as to what that was so we can talk about that in the comments. And if there's something more that you want to see, content you want explained or expounded on, just let us know that in the comments as well. We'll work that into the schedule. If you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription. Just click that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss any of the videos we upload. At this point for this year, it's daily uploads. The future, who knows? It may change. Thank you so much for watching, and we thank all of our subscribers for following with us. this long, and we look forward to seeing y'all and adding others to the family as well. So thank you so much. God bless.